What is the difference between EMT certification and licensure? This is a question that is asked a lot because both EMT certification and EMT licensure sound like the same thing, but they are not. Let's first define each term so that the similarities and differences can become more easily apparent. EMT certification defined. According to the federal government, certification is the process by which a non-governmental organization grants recognition to an individual who has met predetermined qualifications specified by that organization. An example of just such a private organization for EMT certification is the NREMT, or National Registry of Emergency Medical Technicians. The NREMT is a private organization and national certification agency created to establish uniform standards for training and examination of EMT and EMS workers. EMT licensure defined. Alternatively, licensure is the state's grant to individuals the legal authority to work as an EMT. Under the state licensure system, individual states define what job functions an EMT is allowed to perform, depending on their certification level. For instance, a state may allow an EMT or paramedic to administer IVs to patients, while not allowing EMTBs or basics. States have their own unique qualifications for EMT licensure, which will always include EMT certification of some type. Whether that is a national EMT certification like NREMT provides or one of their own states-approved EMT certification organizations. States will also typically have other stipulations required for obtaining an EMT license, such as internship hour requirements, registering with the state, or passing criminal background checks. Hence, you can be certified as an EMT, but not have a license if you haven't completed the state's administrative procedures. On the other hand, you can never have a state license if you are not certified, since that is a core requirement to gaining a license. Conclusion. Much of the confusion between the terms certification and licensure arises from some states' use of the terms licensure and certification interchangeably when describing EMT licensing requirements. Just know that your state will always require you to be EMT certified by a state-approved private EMT certification organization in order to get your EMT license. But you will also need to follow through with other specific requirements that your state has defined for state licensure. Thanks for watching.